Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and today I want to talk about the power of compounding. Now, compounding interest is one of the most important keys to getting rich fast. It can also be tough to grasp how powerful it is if you don't experience it firsthand. So, let me give you an example as to what I mean about compounding or compound interest. Suppose you invest $10,000 and earn a 10% annual return. Now I know 10% is a little high. Usually it's around 6 or 7%, comfortably maybe 3 or 4%, but let's just say 10% annual return. After your first year, you have $11,000. That's $1,000 in interest that goes to you at the end of the year. But if you keep your money invested in it and don't pull the $1,000 out, you will earn $1,100 of interest in the second year, and then $1,210 in the third year, and so on and so on. Every year it'll go up by 10%. Now, by the end of the 10th year, 10 years later, right? You are earning over $2,000 in interest every year. Now that's more than double what you earned the first year. So you were able to double your money in 10 years. Now, 10% is a high return, and most investors don't really count on a return that high, or it's very risky if you see an investment as high as 10%. But most common would be around 6 to 7%, and still, if you count the S&P 500, that has returned about 6 to 7%, about that much annually when you take a look at the overall long view of the index's history, which is just amazing. Now, just keep investing every month and your money will grow. And the more you put into it, the faster it'll compound, and the more rapid it'll grow, and it'll create this avalanche snowball effect. And that, in a short video, is the power of compounding. So I believe if we are able to invest at a younger age, then you're able to compound more over time. So start early and put as much savings into investing as possible. Do not save your money, invest your money. I think that is definitely a strong point. If you save your money, then you'll actually lose money due to inflation. But if you were to invest your money in something even as common as a 6 or 7% S&P 500, then you'll at least be able to go along with inflation when normally it was around 3 to 4%. I know with the new higher inflation of around 9%, we're going to have to get more aggressive about our investing. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on the power of compounding and compounding interest. If you did, smash the like button and show me how compounding that like button really helps my channel. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.